Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am sharing with you my Benefit Cosmetics eyebrow tutorial, and I'm going to start using this brand new product, which is called the Benefit Cosmetics Fluff Up Brow Flexible Brow Texturizing Wax. It retails for $26. You get 0.23 ounces of product. There is a mini size, but what it is a clear, crunch-free, creamy flex wax that creates fluffy, full, and natural looking brows and lasts for up to 12 hours. So in this video, I am experimenting and using it before I apply makeup, but I do have other videos where I have hacks using this product as well. If you want to check that out, I will put that in the description box down below. But in this tutorial, I am going to start off with the Precisely My Brow Pencil in the shade 4.5. And yes, if you have been following me, I used to use lighter shades, but I think I've gone to the dark side, and 4.5 is going to be my shade forever, which is a darker kind of neutral shade. But I'm going to roughly create some brow strokes, natural brow strokes with the Precisely My Brow Pencil, and then I'm actually going to switch up the product with the fiber pencil, the Volumizing Gimme Brow, and kind of create some depth with the shade 4.5 as well. If I have to go back in with precision with my brow, that's what I'm going to do, like in this video. But eyebrow creation is whatever you want it. I'm also going to clean it up with my Boi-ing Cakeless Full Coverage Waterproof Liquid Concealer in the shade 4, which is a light cool shade. And don't be scared, because I think the end product looks really good. But again, creating eyebrows is like art, and I don't mind creating art, different kinds of art, every day because it's actually kind of fun for me. But this is what my eyebrows look like after using the Fluff Up Brow Wax and other products after the wax. What do you guys think? I have used it after in other videos, but it works just as well before applying makeup on the eyes. And that was my video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope it helped you out in any way that it could. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Check out my other playlists. And I will see you guys all next time in my next one. Bye, guys.